Hey guys, this is Lakshya and you are watching me on Python Baba. So today we will discuss this pattern, that is Q shape. So without wasting time, let's get start. Check ideally. Check a new file. Then see here. Number of columns 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, number of columns are 8 and rows are 2 4 6 8. Okay, number of row and columns are 8, both are equal, so no problem. First we have to write for row in range of 8. Then we want to write for loop for column in range of 8. Then we have to put some conditions. So see here we want to print some condition. See here, if column is 0 or column is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, if column is equals to 0 or column is equals to 6th, and we have to put in one bracket, because if column is 0 or 1, and also in range, what is that range? If 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 2 to 4 we want to print. So column and row in range of start from 2 to 4, so we have to write 5 here. Okay, so after this we have to put another condition. See here, if for this starts, okay, we have to put conditions. Okay, so if row is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we have to change something in this condition, just for printing horizontal stars. Control C, Control V, column. Instead of column we have to write row. If row is 0 or row is 6, and column in range of 2 to 5. Then we want to print. After this we have to write another conditions. So you have to write for this star and this star. Okay, so what is that? 1, if column is 1 and row is 1, or 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, row is 1 or 5 and column is 1. Okay, so for this, or column is equals to 1 and row is equals to we have to put it in one bracket, or row is 1 or or row is equals to 5. I think I'm correct or not. I will to cross check. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we have to write also here between one bracket for this. We also take this star also. Okay, this star 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we also take it in one. This is one bracket, or column is equals to 5. See here, if column is 1 or column is 5 and also row is 1 or row is 2, so this up to this is one condition, and the output of this is this star, this star, this star, this star, this star, and this star. Okay, so and let's save first. Save first this program. We want to put here. What is wrong with this? Why it's taking so? I think my machine is hacked. No, sorry. Or we also write condition. After this we will run this star we want to print. So see here, this is 0 1 2 3 4 fourth column, fourth row, and this is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, fourth column also. If this fifth column, fifth row, this sixth column, sixth row, and this seventh column, seventh row. Okay, so we have to write condition for this if row and column are same. Okay, we have to write condition. Why is it? Or column is equals to row, and what is that, range. We have to put this, and column in range of 4 to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 4 to 7, that is 8, and column in range of 4, 8. Okay, so we want to print first stars and end is equals to. So after this else we want to print some space. After after this and is equals to some comma means in same line. Then after each column we want to print a new line, so let's save this is Q. Save this file. Y, run this model. Run this model. What is range? Okay, row in range, so control S. Run this model. Go is not defined. What is that? Line number 3. So where we have written something wrong, so check this. Line number 3, I think here range call bear. Yeah, save this, run this model. Yeah, it's rendering. I have to show you once again. It's printing Q. So hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, then please, oh, why I'm saving this. So if you learn something from this video, guys, please like, share and subscribe, and I hope you understand this. If you have any doubts, please comment me in comment section or mail me. My mail is in description box, so check it and try to run this program. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.